Hello friends, I'm Santosh Kumar and today I'm here to introduce the GS Foundation program at LevelUp IAS. There are so many GS Foundation programs available. Why should you be choosing LevelUp IAS? Let me give you the most important reason. It's not just the GS Foundation program. It is a very comprehensive package which takes care of every aspect of your preparation, be it CSAT, be it essay, be it prelims test series, be it mains test series, be it weekly test or the current affairs program. Let me explain this to you in greater detail. Our program has 4 pillars. First pillar is about the classes, GS Foundation classes, where GS 1, 2, 3, 4 prelims and CSAT preparation would be thoroughly done. Plus, this would also have essay classes and some essay practice test, ensuring that you are thoroughly, in these 10 months, you are thoroughly done with each and every aspect. You will not have to worry about, okay, I'm done with my GS, now I should go for a CSAT program, or I'm done with my GS, now I should go for an essay program. No, everything is part of it. In 10 months, by the end of February, we would be completing each and every aspect of those topics. And coming to the teachers, you go on our YouTube channel and look at videos of each and every teacher. You'll be amazed at their quality. I'm challenging you, go and watch videos of Nikhil sir in history and compare it with any other teacher. You will just be mesmerized how by the quality of teachers that we have. That's why in these 10 months you'll be comprehensively prepared. But not only this was only the first pillar. Our second pillar is our current affairs program. The GS Foundation program was running for 10 months. Current affairs program will go on till your mains examination. Every weekend, every Saturday and Sunday, you will have 2 classes right from the first week, ensuring that right from the first day, you're able to understand what is going in the newspaper. You're able to connect that with the syllabus. You're able to start writing answers on the current affairs issues or using the current affairs content in your answer writing aspects also. Then the third pillar is about revisions, class tests and test series. Now, why this is a very important part of your preparation? See, what happens with most of the students is that we start very enthusiastically. We are like, we'll be the most hardworking people, we'll be sincerely attending all the classes, and most of the students do this. But without proper revision, what they end up doing is they're studying, let's say in our foundation program, we'll be starting with ancient India and geography. The history and geography will be starting with. You'll study history and geography for 2 months, then polity and economy would come, and then other subjects would come. But by the time you reach January, you have forgotten what was done in June. So what we have done is, we have prepared a very strategic revision schedule for you. What we do is, every weekend, every Sunday, you have test. You'll have classes from Monday to Saturday, and on Sunday, you'll have a test. This test will include both objective and answer writing test. This will help you for weekly revision. Similarly, we'll also have monthly test. Monthly tests would ensure that the entire syllabus of the month will be part of your test, ensuring that you are getting to revise things. Also, right before monthly test, we'll give you a day off so that you have enough time for this revision. Similarly, we'll have 3 monthly tests and 6 monthly tests with more offs, ensuring that you get enough time for revision. So by the time you reach December, you would have revised every topic 4 or 5 times. In January, you won't be feeling like, oh, I've forgotten what I did in June. That is not going to happen. So till your classes go on till February, you'll have weekend pay test every Sunday. After that, you'll have prelims test series, and after prelims, if you qualify prelims, you'll also be getting access to mains test series. So you will not need to do any other program. You have weekly tests, you have prelims test series, you have mains test series. All this would ensure that you are regularly revising everything, you are regularly evaluating yourself, and thus in a very comprehensive manner moving in the right direction towards your preparation. This was the third pillar. Now let me come to the fourth pillar. Fourth pillar is something that is missing almost everywhere. What is it? It's about mentorship by teachers. Our teachers who are teaching you, the Swaminathan sir who's teaching polity, Nikhil sir and Vishal sir who are teaching history, Dimple madam who's teaching geography, I'll be teaching you science and economy. We will be mentoring you. in every batch, 10 students will have a batch of around 100 students. 10 students would be allocated to one teacher, and this teacher would regularly be interacting with students, would be understanding their problem, would be understanding their weaknesses, would be suggesting them extra classes, would be suggesting them extra reading material, whichever may be needed for their improvement, would be going through their performance in the test, would be looking at their answer writing. Everything, all these things would be done by teachers, ensuring that students are kept on the right track throughout this 15 months of preparation. With these features, I can confidently say that this GS Foundation program is the only thing that you would need for your entire preparation. If we leave out the optional subject, this is the only thing that you would need for entire preparation. There is no extra thing that you will need to do. You'll get comprehensive study material, you'll get updated current affairs classes, you'll get regular tests, you'll get classes, GS Foundation classes by excellent teachers. Okay, there are some more details, like the program is starting on 19th of June 2023. Timing would be from 2 to 4:30. You'll have this program would be available in both offline and online mode, so you can come to the classroom, or you can watch it live, or you can also have recorded videos to watch it at later times if you cannot attend it between 2 to 4:30 p.m. The course would be running from Monday to Sunday. Monday to Saturday. On Sundays you'll be having tests. With this on Sundays we'll be having test, and then on Saturdays, Sundays we'll be having extra classes for current affairs as well. So with this, I'm hoping that everything that is needed for your preparation gets taken care of as part of this program. So come and join LevelUp to level up your civil services preparation. Thank you.